Morning.
Turn right on
Hello.
Avenue.
Hello. We're so late. Yeah, we're on our way to the beach. We planned to meet at 8:30 and it's 8:51 right now.
Okay, that's not even that late.
Okay, I texted you at 8:30 and then you're like, oh, I'm debating if I should get out of bed or not.
8:10. Okay, I got out after you told me to. I left the house at 8:30
and then you forgot
I
your
left my sunglasses. I had to drive all the way back. And then like, whatever. I don't want to talk about it. I also brought a bag of coins for meters if we have to park meters.
Oh, okay.
So,
good job.
yeah, I know. Oh Jesus, thanks, lady. Road rage, heart, like 10 million.
Yeah.
Dude, today's like the perfect day because it's like hot as fuck. Oh wait.
Oh.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
I haven't been to the beach since, I don't think I've been to, I've been to the beach in Boston, but I haven't been to like,
because I don't go to beaches regularly.
I haven't been to Santa Cruz Beach since my last Santa Cruz vlog, which was in February of last year. We are at the beach now, and Emily's trying to call the karaoke place because we made a reservation for karaoke tonight, but none of us really want to go. And oh, they open at 3, and I don't. And like I kind of have stuff to do tonight, so we can't go. But yeah, we're with these 2 cats, and we're just chilling. It's pretty early. It's only like 9:45. We are going to lunch now. Where are we going again? We're going like get
Tacos.
so Fiona looks great.
Thanks. Okay. Let's go.
Ew.
Can I get a Baja fish taco? Oh, yeah. What did you get?
Milk and cookies.
Is it good?
Yeah, it is. Heaven. It just tastes like cookies.
I got Island Mocha.
Wait, you didn't pull up the
Oh yeah. Emily's letting me use her camera, but it's like broken, so. Coffee? Good? I'm joining. Oh, Jesus.
I couldn't put Eric. Every vlog is just Eric's road rage.
No, it's not.
Remember the Chipotle one?